Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through collecting data from a sensor connected to ESP8266 board using MicroPython. DHT11 is the sensor of the day. DHT means digital humidity and temperature, and 11 means the product model number. In this lesson, DHT11 sensor is connected as follows. Data pin is connected to D1 or GPIO5 of ESP8266. GND or ground is connected to GND. VCC of the sensor is connected to 3.3 volts. And ESP is connected to the PC using a micro USB cable. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the desktop. Step 2. Open VS Code as editor of our script, main.py. Step 3. Type the code. Step 4. Save the code. Step 5. Check the port assigned to ESP8266 board. Step 6. Upload the code to the device. Step 7. Check if the code is written to the flash memory of the device. Step 8. Run the code. That's all for now. I hope you found it useful. Until next time, bye.